virtual private network gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. VPN marks your internet protocol, means IP address, so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure and encrypted connection to provide greater privacy than even a secured Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, the question arises, why should you use a VPN connection? Your internet service provider usually sets up your connection when you connect to the internet. It tracks you via an IP address. Your network traffic is routed through your internet service provider's servers, which can log and display everything you do online. Your internet service provider may seem trustworthy, but it may share your browsing history with advertisers, the police, or government, and other third parties. Internet service providers can also fall victim to attacks by cyber criminals. If they are hacked, your personal and private data can be compromised. This is especially important if you regularly connect to public Wi-Fi networks. You never know who might be monitoring your internet traffic and what they might steal from you, including passwords, personal data, payments, information, or even your entire identity. Hope so. This video gives you a knowledge about what is VPN and why should you use a VPN connection. Thank you.